In this lecture, we will learn the new selection tool called Freehand Lasso Tool. Lasso tool is not like any geometrical shape tool but like a pencil which marks the area to select. You need to complete the shape while selecting the area. Just start drawing a line around the object you want to select. If you leave the mouse button before reaching the starting point, a straight line will be drawn automatically from the point you have started to the point you leave the mouse button. So it's very important for this tool to complete the shape. Here we have a photo of a dolphin. Let's select it. You can zoom the image until you feel comfortable to select the area with the current tool. Let's start selecting the object by drawing a line around it. Remember not to leave the mouse button until you finish with the complete selection. Press the space bar without leaving the mouse will let you select the hand tool for the temporary use so that you can pan the image on the screen. You can see that you need to be very accurate if you want to select the area precisely. After you complete the shape of selection, you observe that some of the areas of the dolphin did not get selected and some of the extra areas got selected too. Here again you have the same 4 buttons like the marquee tool on the options bar for adding, subtracting or intersecting the selection. Same will be done by pressing the Shift and Alt keys too. Try selecting the area you want and remove the unwanted area from the image. You need to keep doing it several times to select the dolphin properly.